We're staying at the inn at Seacrest. This is room 203. We're just arriving and checking in. So let's have a look at our unit. So right when you walk in, you got the bathroom right here. There are some lights out. We've contacted the management company and they're going to be coming to replace those. Got your standard bathroom, standard shower. Nothing too exciting, can't see much because of the lights. Got a little kitchenette, microwave, toaster, full-size fridge, freezer. It's a studio efficiency unit, so just have really a bed, the kitchenette, TV. It's got some nice beachy type furniture going on, nice beachy wall colors. There's some more lights out that they're going to come replace for us. And we got a nice sized balcony overlooking the pool. Nice little love seat. Table and 2 chairs. And there's the pool. And then right on the other side over there is the actual beach. Alright, sorry, the lens had fogged up coming from the air conditioning to the muggy Florida climate, but so right over there on the other side of the road is the actual beach. That's where we have private beach access here in this condo. We enjoy staying here at Seacrest Beach. You got Alley's Beach right over there. Rosemary Beach is right on the other side. So there's plenty to see and do around here. Coming back inside, nice air conditioning. So this is the room tour. It's pretty standard, nice accommodations. You've got just your standard closet, iron, one of the teeny tiny little ironing boards. But you're on vacation. What do you need an iron for? Alright, thanks for joining me on the room tour of room 203, this inn at Seacrest Beach.